Hi, hey everyone, Mr. Slowton himself here. Oh man, it is Saturday. Got some special guests with me today, so stay tuned. Hopefully, enjoy it.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned the stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around and now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now. 20,000 on a boasting.
If anybody did not know, today, Saturday, is free labor. So, it's free Labor Day today. But anyway, yeah, special guest here. I got a couple outside, got one in here. Yeah, we got a busy day today. Got a couple vehicles got to get done. And then trying to get all this done and got to finish drying this one off. But we're almost done with it. Where'd she go? She's hiding. See, look at that. It's pre-Labor Day. So yeah, if you got your kids, they work for you for free today. They work for lollipops and gumdrops. Yeah. Right? Sure. Yeah. And they're way out. There might be a law for child labor laws or whatever. But yeah. Oh well. It'd be all right. Come on. You gotta jump up on the ladder and get the roof. Oh, there you are. Peekaboo. Look at this. My kid works harder than most newer generation do. Can't last that long. She's gonna do good. And yeah, kid, my middle child, he likes to play on devices and everything else, but he likes to play outside too. But 9 times out of 10, most kids nowadays, they like to play on devices, and that's it. I guess that's okay, but this is all that matters right here. Good kick, bub. Good kick. All right, we got this one almost done. We got to throw some mats in it, get it shipped out the door. Then we got another one to get done, and we got shit to do today. And yeah, so it's bust, get done. Yep. Alright, so we got less than an hour to get this one done, and Yep. So, and that being said, can't really take much time on this one. So let's get it wrapped up, get it done. But this is a brand new Ranger. I'll show you the window sticker. Brand new 22 Super Cab. 2.3 EcoBoost engine, 10-speed transmission, and it is the pretty blue. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Alright, I'm getting ready to show you guys something. If you guys do not know anything about this, you guys need to get one. It's called the foam cannon. I don't know if you can see that, but alright, getting ready to start foaming. Honestly, if you do not know this product right here, if you've never seen this, it's been out for a while. The foam cannon goes on the end of your power washer. Man, you got to watch what this amazing thing does. Alright, this is a professional product of degreaser. We get this through one of our dealers, and I have this one. You mix it straight, and then it mixes through the cannon part with the water. So, and I'm out now, so I gotta get the other 5-gallon bucket or thing in there, and we're gonna get at it. Alright, so all you do is go like that, put this at the end of your power washer. That's it. It's ready to go now. Then all you do is put your tip back in it. Everything else, I always hit the trigger to make sure it doesn't pop out, because sometimes it does. You don't want to hit the top. Just got done everything else, and now pull this out, park it. It just started sprinkling again. It's one thing I hate about my job. You start detailing a vehicle, get everything all done, and it starts sprinkling. Like, well, here's the truck. This is my old D-Rod. I mean, you can sit there and kind of, yeah. But no, I didn't detail that one, but I was just kind of showing you that it's starting to heavily sprinkle. But yeah, good time to go park this one.